Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello friends. Hi guys,
I'm as your favorite Sanika Diwari.
and this is
Mansi Devare.
she's my mom. So in this challenge what we are going to do is I translated some of the Hindi songs into English and I'm going to read it out to her and she has to guess which song it is and maybe then we'll sing it for you like thoda sa. So let's go. How are you feeling?
Quite nervous now.
Nervous. So I have a bunch of songs and I'm gonna start. So the first one is in your eyes of the innocent face, the fun in the eyes, hi, hey, the innocence face, the fun in the eyes, stand far away, hi, show a glimpse, sometimes hide in the lap, stand up shy.
What?
Okay, you want to read it? Do you want to read it? Okay, wait. I thought this was very easy, but let's see.
Is of the innocent face, मासूम चेहरा, आंखों में मस्ती, दूर खड़ी शर्माए.
Okay, how does it?
आंखों में मस्ती,
Okay, yes, but what's the start?
भोली सी सूरत, आंखों में मस्ती, दूर खड़ी शर्माए, आए हाय, एक झलक दिखलाए, कभी कभी आंचल में छुप जाए. What you have written in
Okay.
lap?
Huh?
In lap you have written.
Means?
आंचल में छुप जाए you have written in a lap.
I didn't write. Google translated it. I didn't put that much effort. I just translated it directly. I'm also reading this for the first time. So yeah, it's your.
आंखों में मस्ती,
Okay.
दूर खड़ी
Okay, very sport.
शर्माए.
Very good going with the first one, and she sang without the cue, so claps. And the next song we'll move on to. Do you like this song?
Yes, I like it.
The next song is My heart is so crazy. This is easy. My heart is so crazy. He loves you. My heart is so crazy. He loves you. But when you come in front, afraid to say anything.
Afraid to say anything.
जब सामने जब वो आती है कुछ कहने से घबराता है.
Okay.
But I am. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है, पर सामने जब तुम आते हो कुछ भी कहने से डरता है. ओ मेरे साजन, ओ मेरे साजन,
I didn't put this.
साजन मेरे साजन.
I didn't put the Sajan because that would have been too obvious. But then too she got it. So
And then there is a memory because again it is a Madhuri Dixit film, and that was a charismatic period when I was literally in school that time.
Literally in school that time.
And because that was a teenage, close to
it's
my heart
very
again.
romantic. I'm very smart and choose. Actually, I didn't go that deep.
What you know about rolling down in the
But I just thought कि these songs would be liked by mom, and then I also have some of her favorite ऐसा singers का. Okay. Moving on to the next one.
Moving on to the next one.
Oh, go, around you're crazy.
Let me read it.
Okay, wait, it's wrong.
Google Translate is not correct.
It's very wrong. Okay, we'll skip this song. Very wrong. Okay, we'll skip this song. It's like oh go around you're crazy. खा के तेरी कसम होंगे ना हम जुदा सनम. Like oh जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना.
That is song.
हाँ, that is this one, but they translated it wrong. सपनों में रोज आए.
अब जिंदगी में आना सनम.
So one wasted, but okay. Moving on to the
How
next. Life burn, burn life. Eyes stall smoke, smoke goes, smoke on light.
जिया जले जा जले नैनो तले धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू ना सखी रे जिया जले जा जले.
You
And again the
practiced.
Kannada. And next.
The next is you tell my. Okay, I have to delete this because that's the main lyrics. Okay. You tell my mind, where are you going? What didn't you find? What are you looking for? Which is untold, which is unheard. Tell me, what is that, friend?
मेरे मन ये बता दे तू किस ओर चला है तू क्या पाया नहीं तूने क्या ढूंढ रहा है तू जो है अनकही जो है अनसुनी वो बात क्या है बता मितवा. शाहरुख खान.
कहे
धड़कने तुझसे क्या मितवा ये खुद से तो ना तू छुपा.
I love this song. It's like forever. When he goes like Mitwa, it's like I also saw a reel of some people doing कि ये पूरा song you wait for that. Like कुन फाया कुन में जब बताया था कि ये सजरा सवेरा वो वाला पॉइंट है कि वो लिरिक्स सुनने पे तुम अलग ही दुनिया में, मतलब ऐसा तुम अगर ईयरफोन लगा रहे हो, यू आर इन अ साइलेंट रूम ऑल बाय योरसेल्फ, you literally transport to somewhere else. Do you have any memory of this song?
No.
Does
No. There's
like Shah Rukh Khan. Stop these gestures of yours. We are crazy about it. How are you revealing these secrets? You're speaking with your eyes. Magic comes to you all.
आँखों से क्या बोल रहे हो. How are you revealing ये कैसे बताते. You are आँखों से बोल रही हो जादू सा कर दिया. I don't know. I have to
Try.
I have to try.
And it's okay. Competition नहीं है इधर.
Hey, this is the stanza I think. तू कुछ आँखों से बोल रही हो जादू सा कर दिया. I don't stop.
Okay, wait.
भेद ये कैसे. I'm singing it in
आ
the wrong
गई.
tune. This is speaking with your eyes ना.
क्या search it?
आँखों से बोल रही हो जादू आते हैं तुमको सारे तौबा तुम्हारे ये इशारे. अगेन शाहरुख खान.
तौबा, yes.
हम
दीवाने.
तो दीवाने हैं तुम तौबा तुम्हारे ये इशारे हम तो दीवाने हैं तुम्हारे. भेद ये कैसे खोल रही हो तुम आँखों से बोल रही हो जादू आते हैं तुमको सारे.
You are a champ, okay? She's too good at
Because
this.
when we saw this movie we were newly married and this is a honeymoon song, so how can I forget it.
this is a honeymoon song, so how can I forget it? And
This song is of the honeymoon of those guys in the movie.
I am so clueless. She's giving me कि ये गाना इधर था. I'm like, ठीक है, मैं तो ऐसे ही ढूंढ के लाई हूँ, but
But
तो
that
तुम्हारा
was
मतलब it was quite relatable for you
because we saw that movie in the theater.
with your my father.
No, my husband.
My father, your husband, same guy.
We just cut this afterwards.
No. the fragrance of the soil that adheres to the eyelids, it remains on the eyelids where the destination of the memories is. Okay, that's a Hindi word. Did you get?
I already got it.
Okay.
आंखों में सपने लिए घर से हम चल तो दिए, जाने ये राहें अब ले जाएंगी कहाँ। मिट्टी की खुशबू आए, आंखों में आंसू लाए, आंखों में रह जाएगा यादों का जहां। मंजिल नहीं है अनजाना है कारवां, चलना अकेले है यहाँ। तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर। तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर। तन्हा दिल।
So yes, we are not singers, but we sing well maybe. And we were laughing because our cat is here licking herself. She also moved our camera 2-3 times, but never mind. I never tell, but I'm afraid of the dark. I don't show it. I care about you, mother. You know everything.
That is
don't
your
you, mother?
song.
You know everything, my mother. Don't leave me in the crowd, mother. Can't even come back home.
बतलाता नहीं पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ। मैं तुम्हें दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ। क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ।
We mixed lyrics, but the emotion, the movie, everything, the video. And now also I'm crying just by listening to the song. It's a very emotional song. And I took it because this is my ma. I call her I, but it's a very senti song. Let's listen to Google say it because she says it very funny.
मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ, यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ, तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ, तुझे सब है पता। मेरी माँ भीड़ में यूं ना छोड़ो मुझे, घर लौट के भी आना पाऊं माँ।
Ma. We should actually make her sing because it's funnier. The sun turned dim. The moon began
I
to
know
burn. Very easy this is though.
सूरज हुआ मध्यम, चांद जलने लगा, आसमां ये है क्यों पिघलने लगा। मैं ठहरा रहा ज़मीं चलने लगी, धड़का ये दिल सांस थमने लगी। ओ क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है सजना, क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है।
Any memory? This is the last song and it's very apt for the end of the video, so get your creative juice. I don't know what. Okay. Let me go, let me go. Take your brother-in-law's wedding, let me go. Neither band nor dancers take the gift of happiness, let me go. Same.
लो चली मैं अपने देवर की बारात लेके, लो चली मैं ना बैंड बाजा ना ही बाराती, खुशियों की सौगात लेके, लो चली मैं अपने देवर की बारात लेके, लो चली मैं।
So it's like लो चली मैं, not देवर and stuff, तो इसलिए मैंने कहा कि end में.
It's like, I don't know.
You are in my YouTube channel, how do you feel? Fun. Say fun.
Fun.
Fun! If it's fun for you, tell us, let us know. And thanks for watching if you watched till here, and tell me if you want a part 2, like we can make a part 2, not after this but soon, because if you liked it, just like, comment, share, and if you loved it, please subscribe and share. Okay, I said share already. I don't have an outro as such, but thanks for watching and have a nice day or night or anything. Love you all for subscribing. Bye. See you in the next video.